This chapter describes the general function of the physical layer as well as the standard and protocols that governs data transmission across local media. Explain the role of physical layer protocols and services in supporting data network communication. Describe the function of physical layer signaling and encoding in networks. And some more explanation. Upper OSI layer protocols prepare human network data for transmission to its final destination. The physical layer regulates how data is stored on communication media. The OSI physical layer's role is to encode the binary digit that represent the data link layer frames into signals to transmit and receive the signals across the physical media that connect networks devices, such as copper wires, optical fiber, and wireless.
The physical layer or layer 1 is the first and lowest layer in the 7-layer OSI model of computer networking. It is most closely associated with the physical device connections. This layer could be implemented using a PHY chip. A PHY, which stands for the physical layer, is an electronic circuit that in a network interface controller is required to the deployment physical layer functions of the OSI model. A physical layer device PHY connects a link layer device often abbreviated as MEC for medium access control to physical medium such as an optical fiber or copper cable. Physical coding sublayer PCS and physical medium dependent PMD layer functionality that include in the PHY device. PHYs can also be used as a suffix to create a short name that requires a specific physical layer protocol such as MPHY. The PME sublayers is made up of modular transceiver for the fiber optic communication, such as the SFP family. The physical layer interfaces with the transmission medium electrically, mechanically. The physical layer, the shape and properties of the electrical connections, the frequencies to broadcast on the line could use, and other low-level parameters.
The role. The physical layer specifies how to send a stream of raw bits across a physical data link connecting network nodes. The bit stream can be divided into code words or symbols before being converted into a physical signal that can be transmitted over a transmission medium. The physical layer consists of the electronic circuit transmission technologies of a network. It is a fundamental layer that underpins higher layer level network function and can be implemented using a wide range of different hardware technologies with widely varying architectures. The physical layer, according to the OSI model's semantics, translates logical communication requests from the data link layer into hardware specifications that result in the transmission or reception of electronic or other signals. The physical layer provides support to the high layers that are in charge of generating logical data packets. Physical signal sublayer. The physical signaling sublayer is the portion of the physical layer in a network that uses open system interconnection or OSI architecture. Interfaces with the data link layer's medium access control or MAC. Sublayer carries out symbol encoding, transmission, reception, and decoding, and conducts galvanic insulation.
Finally, we should understand what a physical layer is, because the physical layer is a charge communicating unstructured raw data stream over a physical medium. The data rate is maintained by the physical layer, or how many bits a sender can send per second. It performs bit synchronization. It aids the selection of the transmission medium, the direction of the data transfer,